Hi, Luke here with Cross Automotive. I'd like to show you a custom lift we built for a Polaris General side-by-side. It's a 4-door version. It's the XP 1000. So come to the vehicle, side-by-side. Open the door. There's two ways to open the back. It's reaching through and unlatching it, or unzipping the pocket and sticking your hand in. So this door will open to 90 degree, which we had to do a little bit of work to make that happen. This is an overhead lift. Person will take the blue loop, pull down. It's locking sliders, bring it all the way out. With the tether, we've used 2 carabiners to secure the wheelchair as it's lifted into the side-by-side. So we'll bring the wheelchair facing forward. This wheelchair already has the backrest and seat pad removed, but we'll have to remove them to dock this scooter. Once they're removed, pull up on the center strap of the manual wheelchair. We take the carabiner, one-hand application. We'll have to lower the tether. Now when we press down on the button, we're going to keep tension on this tether. Just that way it spools fully down easily. Once we have enough, I will take 1 carabiner per side. I will connect it, and then I will connect the second one to the other docking system that we came up with, which is seatbelt buckle pieces, the male side. I will take the switch now, holding this, I will push up. You'll see that the wheelchair is being elevated. I'll always keep my hand on either the tether or the wheelchair so it does not pendulum around. This has been designed only for manual wheelchairs, and this particular one, so we have the clearance. Once the wheelchair is high enough, which it should be right there, I'll take the blue, pull it in, and push it all the way in, and then I will hold it again, put the wheelchair down, close the door, and now they're able to go out. One other thing we added to this Polaris side-by-side is a left foot accelerator. This is a FeatherLite version. So let's have a look at what that looks like. This is the left foot accelerator right here. The on-off button is this button right here beside the column. Let's get in and start it. So this Polaris Ranger, you have to step on the brake to start. So I'm going to step on the brake. So if it's taking you longer than 30 seconds to press this flashing button, you'll need to press it 3 times to activate the left foot accelerator. Now it's a solid blue light, it's active. To disengage the left foot accelerator, you'll press 3 times. Now the left foot accelerator has no throttle input. The original accelerator does. I hope you find the innovation that we came up with to make this loading of the wheelchair easy for the person who's going to use this side-by-side. Pretty cool. We're proud of the work that's been done here with Cross Automotive. Till the next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.